Mama loves her little Shaka Zoo. What did you do? Oh. What's that? Oh, the cell phone sound, huh? Did you do the cell phone sound, Shaka Zoo? Okay, I'll come over here, Big Coffee. You are pretty today. What are you doing? You are so pretty today.
Wow.
Yes, you are. Kiss, kiss. I gave you a kiss at the same time.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm pretty good. Where did Daddy? Oh, the cork? Where did Daddy go? Oh, big kiss. You love your daddy?
Wow.
Oh my goodness, you're full of wows. We need to talk to Mulder. Hi, Mo. Are you fixing your feathers, pretty bird? You fixing your feathers, pretty bird?
Wow.
Oh, look at pretty Mulder. Hey, birdie. Hey, birdie.
Hi, sweetie.
Oh.
Choco.
You gonna sing a pretty song? Randy.
Yeah, baby birdie Choco. Come on.
Come over there. What's that sound? What is that? Oh, it's a duck. I don't think so. I think it's an airplane. Is it an airplane?
Hi, Choco. Come on. Bye-bye. Okay. Hello.
You're silly.
Choco.
What? Are you gonna sing a pretty song for Mama? Wow. Mulder's still fixing his feathers.
Okay. Okay.
I love you, sweetie. Mama's hand's getting tired of holding this.
Wow.
I'm
Well, come over here.
Yeah.
Mama saw.
Yep. Well, it's not a cell, though. It looks like a cell, but it's not Mama's cell.
Hello.
Yes, it's not a cell. What? You don't like that? You're gonna quit talking, huh? Mama should... Let's have a good picture of Mr. Mulderbees in his mansion. The Mulder Mansion.